How to find last seen on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find the last seen option or status on Instagram. Now what is last seen? Now if you open up the app, you'll get an interface like this, and if you head over to your chat section by tapping on chat icon on the top right corner of your screen, here you'll find the chat of your friends. And if you open up here, you can see the active status beside the profile, or under the username you can find active 7 minutes ago. Now this is basically what last seen is. It is the last seen status, or when they were last seen online or active on the app. How you can find the settings? Now head over to your home page and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and from here head over to three line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. Once here, head over to settings, and once on settings, go to privacy. Now if you scroll down all the way below on privacy, you will find the option active status. So this is the active status. Now if you toggle this switch off, then your friends won't be able to see your active status. So this is how you can find your last seen on Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.